Look guys, I'm ready na sa aking pagbe-beach. Ayan guys, yung ating swimsuit na susuotin. Ayan yung ating color red. I really love it guys. Ayan o. Pack na pack yan siya guys. Ayan. My swimsuit for today. Ayan guys, look. Ayan. I really love it. Ayan guys, dahil magbe-beach kami. Ayan, mag-lotion muna ako guys. Ayan, maglagay tayo ng lotion para para hindi ma-burn yung ating skin. O, diba? Pack na pack yan siya, guys. I really love it. Ayan, ang ganda nitong aking swimsuit na to, guys. Kahit mumurahin lang to. Ayan, 250 lang to siya, guys. Ayan, 250 lang, pero ang ganda niyan. Ayan. And guys, I'm ready na sa aking pagbe-beach. Ayan po. O, diba? Pack na pack yung ating guys. Pack na pack yung aking outfit for today. Yung ating swimsuit. Ayan. Maglo-lotion lang ako, guys. Ayan, para hindi ma-burn yung ating hindi ma-burn yung ating skin. Ayan, I really love it. Pack na pack yan. Ayan siya, guys, yung aking swimsuit for today. Ayan, ang ganda nito, guys. Pack. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda niya. Pack. 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 Ayan. Ano siya, guys? Shein brand. Shein brand siya, guys. Oh. Ayan, oh. I really love it. Ayan. Pack na pack siya, guys. I'm so happy. Ayan. Ready na naman ako sa aking pagbe-beach, guys. Ayan, ang ganda ng kanyang guys, oh. Ang kanyang likuran. Ang ganda. I really love it. Pack na pack siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan, maglagyan natin ng lotion para hindi tayo mangitim, guys. Para hindi ma-burn yung ating skin. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda. I really love it. Ayan. Yung ating skin. Na diba ang ganda niya, guys? Ayan, pack na pack. Oh, no! Ayan, guys. Wow! Guys, chocolate. I really love chocolate, guys. First time, I need one more.